So hello everyone, I welcome you all in our second class, that is building, planning and drawing using the AutoCAD. Okay. So in the last class we have discussed about the basics advantages of the AutoCAD, correct? And we have discussed about the what are the importance of the AutoCAD software, correct? We have seen the basic procedure of the architects and the clients, how it will be work on the field, and we have seen the basic commands that we have to use before starting the any drawing. Clear? So this, whatever the screen you have seen, that one that we have used, that we have done in the last class, correct? Till here we have done in the last class. Okay, what we have used in the last class, we have used the 4 commands. Clear? We have used the 4 commands. What is that 4 commands? We have used the units command, we have used the limits command, we have used the OSNAP command, we have used the dimensioning commands and dimensioning edit or modification of the dimensioning command. So we have used these 4 commands. These commands are very important, or these commands are used before starting the any drawing, or we can say that these are the setups before we need to do starting any drawings. Okay. So now in the today's class we have to see some basic geometric commands which is used in the building plannings, okay, or which is used to draw the drawings. There is some basic geometric commands are there that we will see in the today's class. Okay, so we are not going to start any drawings and all, we just see the tools, geometric tools we are going to see here, how to use that geometric tools and which is used for the building plannings. Okay, so the first tool, okay, this is our drawing area where we are going to do the drawing. Okay, the first tool which we are going to use, that is line. Okay, that is line. So what is line here? So I think most of the students have used the MS Paint, I think, correct? So in the MS Paint you have using the pencil command. So line command is similar to the pencil command. So whatever the drawings you need to do using the line commands only. So most of the cases we are to doing the drawings and doing the plans, to doing the elevation, and most of the cases we are using the line command. Okay, so I just tell you how to use the line command. So just go and click on the line command. You just click on the line command here, and here you just see the specify the first point of the line. The command is asking the specify the first point of the line. So I just click over here, and here to here I just mentioned, I just click, I just click, I just click. So in whichever direction you want, you can move that one. You just draw and you draw, and if you want to close to the first point, you just click and press enter, or you just press the escape. Okay, so if you want to delete that one, you just select and delete this command. Okay, so if you want a random drawings also, you can use the line command. And if you want to specify a drawing, a particular specified drawing with a proper dimension, there also you can use the line command. So I just take I want to draw a rectangle of size 200 by 200, or I just take I want to draw a rectangle of size 100 by 100. I just take 100 centimeter by 100 centimeter rectangle we need to draw. So I just click on the line command. I just specify the first point I want here. I just next specify the next point. To specify the next point, I need to give the dimensions. So I give the dimensions over here. Okay, so here you can see this one. The line is not straight. I want a straight rectangle, but here you can see this one. That is, line is not straight. If you want to make a straight line, you need to on one button that we called as ortho mode. So where is that button? The button is in the status bar. Here you can see this one in the status bar. You just go to the status bar and click on that button, that is ortho mode. If you on this one, you can see this one, line only turn in the 90 degree, or the line will be the straight line. Okay, so there is no inclined lines, it is a straight line. It only rotate in the 90 degree directions. So I just go in this one. I just rotate this one. I just want a line of 100. I just type the 100 here and I just press enter. Okay, so this is the 100. Next, I want the 100 by 100. So 100, vertical is also 100, horizontal is also 100. So this is a square, and here it is 100. Clear? So like this, we need to use the line commands. Okay, I just want to draw a a straight line. I just want to draw a cube or a rectangle of 50 by 100. 50 is the horizontal dimensionings and 100 is the vertical dimension. Always you just remember, if I say 50 by 100 or 100 by 100 or 200 by 100, the first dimensioning is the horizontal dimensioning, the next dimensioning is the vertical dimensionings. So 50 by 100 cube, I just take the rectangle. 50, I just click enter, and 100 vertical, enter, and again 50, enter, and 100, enter, and press enter. Clear? So this is how we need to use the line command. Okay, and if you want to delete this one, you just select and delete, or you just select multiple select, you just do, and you can delete the particular drawing, particular things. Okay, this is how we need to use the line command. The next command which we need to use, that we called as polyline. Okay, so what is mean by polyline and what is the difference between the line and polyline, I just tell you. Okay, so the method of using the polyline is also same as a line also. I just consider a rectangle of 200 by 100. Here I am considering the rectangle of 200 by 100. I just click on the first specify point. The 200 is the horizontal dimensions. I just given the 200, plus enter. I just give the 100 as a vertical dimensions, press enter. I just give the 200 as a horizontal dimension, press enter, and again 100, press enter. And if you want to close the line, press one more enter. 2 times enter, you just click, it will automatically close. Okay, so this is our polyline. And one more line, I just draw that one using the this one normal line. I just draw, so that I want to show you the difference. I just draw the 200 by 50. I just take 200. So here we can take 50, and again I just take 200, and again I just take 50. Press enter. So the below one which is drawn by the polyline, and the above one which is drawn by the normal line. So what is the difference here? So in the polyline, what happened? Whatever the object you will draw, whatever the thing you will draw, it will becomes a single object, or it will become a single block. So that if you want to edit that one, the whole block you need to edit. So for example, if I just click on this one, here you can see this one, whole block will be selected. So it is made up of a single line. Everything will be made in a single line. Okay, if you click with the normal line, if you click this one, see here, only the single part will be collected. Here also single part is selected. Here single part selected. Here single part selected. Correct? So like this, we need to select that one. So, but in the what happened in the polyline, if you click anywhere of that object, the whole object will be selected. So it will become a block. So that is the difference between the polyline and the normal line. If you want to create a object in a single line, then we need to use the polyline. Okay, so but sometimes what happened, it will be little difficult to modify the particular drawing, but here you can modify the drawing. If you use the single line, for example, if you want to delete this part, you can easily delete that one. Correct? But here if you want to delete this part, the whole drawing will be deleted. Correct? So in that cases, it will be little difficult to modify the object which is used by using the polyline. Okay, so but in the normal line, whatever the object will take, we can easily modify that one. Okay, that is the difference between the polyline and the normal line. So this also you can change that one. This also you can explode that one. There is one command is there, explode command. Using the explode command, you can change that one. You can make it as a this one. So I will just show you how to explode that one, or in the next edit command, I just show you how to explode the objects. Okay, so you just delete. So next command, we'll go to the next command. that is the circle command. Okay, so what is circle command here? So what is the circle command? To use or to draw the circle, we are using the circle command. So to in the drawing of the circle, sometimes the radius will be mentioned, we can draw that one. Sometimes the diameter will be mentioned, we can draw that one. In sometimes the radius and diameter will not be mentioned, only the 2 points we are knowing. 2 points of the circle we are knowing. So in that cases we are using the 2-point circle. This option we can use and we can draw that one. In some cases 3-point options will be there. In that cases we using that one we can draw this circle. In sometimes only we are knowing the tangents and radius. In that this one we are using this command, and in sometimes we are knowing only the tangents. In that cases we are using these commands. So depending upon the drawings to drawing, we are using the particular different commands. I just show you one by one. So the first one is center and radius. So here I just go to the circle command. I just click center radius. So here you can see this one. What is command is asking? What is command prompt is asking? Specify center point of the circle. So you just specify. I just use the out of the drawing area also, so that you can easily understand. So I just specify the center point of the drawing. Okay. Now what is asking? Specify the radius of the circle. So specify the radius. I just take the radius as 100 and press enter. Correct. So this radius become 100. If you want to check the radius, you have knowing the dimensioning command, how to use that one. You go to dimensioning command, click on the radius and just click on the circle. Here you can see this one, radius as 100. Okay. So next command, I just go to the center diameter. I just go to the center diameter. Okay. What is asking? Specify the center point of the circle. I just specify the center point of the circle. Okay. And what is asking? Specify the radius of the circle or diameter of the circle. So here what we have selected the diameter. It is asking again here, specify the diameter of the circle. So what is the diameter of the circle? We can consider diameter of circle is 150 centimeter. I just consider as 150 centimeter and press enter. Okay. So if you want to check whether that diameter is correct or not, you just go to the dimensioning command, click on the diameter and press on the diameter, and here you can see this one. You can see this is the diameter symbol. Diameter is 150. Correct. Similarly, we'll go to the other commands. So if you're having the 2 points, okay, I just draw the 2 points over here. Okay, so we're having the only 2 points. So if you're having these 2 points, so if you want to draw using the 2 points, a circle in between the 2 points, we want to draw the circle, just go to the 2 points. What is asking? Specify the first point of the circle. We have specified the first point of the circle and specify the second point of the circle. Similarly, if you're having the 3 points also, we can do the same. I just make a 3 points, 1 and 1 more point, 2, and I just take this one as 3 points. I go to the specify 3 points, specify the first point of the center or center point of the circle. I just clear center point and second point and third point. Correct. Okay, so if you want inside that one, I delete that one. Okay, I just specify that one. Okay, for example, it will be like this. If you go 3 points, center, second point and the third point, and the third point. So wherever you, okay, it's not okay. Okay, just click first point, second point and the third point. Okay, so like that we can select the points and using that one. So if you want inside this one, there is another option is there. Okay, I just take this one only. Okay, 3 point options. Next, if you want tan radius. So if you're having the two tangents, and for example, you're having one tangent over here and one more tangent over here, and you want a connecting these two tangent, we want one circle of radius, we can consider a 50 meter, 50 centimeter. We can use this command, tangent, specify the second tangent, specify the radius. I just give the radius as 50, press enter. Clear? If you want to check the radius, again we have a dimensions command, and using that dimensions command we can check that one. Clear? So next option is there, that is tan radius. If having, okay, I just draw tangents 1, 2 and the 3. Okay, we are having the 3 tangents. So if you want to draw that one, I just consider tangent 1. So what is asking in the command prompt? Specify the first tangent. I have specified the first tangent. Specify the second point. I have specified the second point. Specify the third point. Specify the third point. Clear? So like this, we need to use the circle command using the different options. Here we can using the radius. By giving the radius, we have drawn the circle. By giving the diameter, we have drawn the circle. By connecting the 2 points, we have drawn the circle. By connecting the 3 points, we have drawn the circle. By connecting the 2 tangents and the radius, we have drawn this circle. And by connecting the 3 tangents, we have drawn this circle. Okay. So this is how we need to use the circle command. Okay. So next command, I just go. So that is the arc command. So arc command is similar to the circle command also. So in the drawing, I will just tell you how to draw the arc command. Okay. So I just give a one example, that is 3-point arc only. I just give you the one example. Remaining when the while doing the drawing, in that cases I will just show you. Okay. So because what happened, we need to finish the tools, whatever the required tools are there, that tools we just finish that one, and we'll go to the live examples. Most of the live example, if you saw most of the example we see, you will get a clear idea how to do the drawings in different situation or different drawings. Correct? So all the drawings should not will not be same in the fields, or every drawing will be changed, every area is changed, every side things will be changed. Correct? So if you solve or if you do the more number of plans, you will get the more experience and you will understand the more things. Okay. So in that cases, if you require the arc of the arc commands with different commands, then we can use that one, no issue. I just show you a basic of the arc command. So that what is that? 3 points arc. So first line I just draw over here, 1, 2 and 3. So this is our arc. So we required, for example, we required the arc over here. I just press enter. I don't want this. Okay. So we want an arc over here. 3 points arc. You just go to the 3 points. What is the command is asking? Specify the first point of the arc. I just click the first point of the arc, second point of the arc, and third point of the arc. Clear? So this is how I will draw the arc command. So you can delete this one also. You can delete this one also, and you can delete this one also. You can see the clear arc specifying the 3 points. Okay. So next, so in the geometric commands, so next command is rectangle command and polygon command. So what is rectangle command? To draw the rectangle or the square, we are using this rectangle command. And for in the polygon, for the different polygons, we can draw using the polygon command. I just show you. I just go to the rectangular command first. So rectangular command is already you used while in the limits command. So one more time, I just show you. Go to the rectangular command. So what is asking? Specify the first corner point. I just specify the first corner point, and here specify the other corner point. You can specify other corner point. Correct? So you can draw the rectangle. This is a free size rectangle. If you want a proper dimensions of rectangle, for example, we are considering 200 by 300 or 200 by 150 rectangle we want, or 200 by 100 rectangle. For example, we just take 200 by 150 rectangle we need to draw. So just go to the rectangle command. I just click over here, specify the first corner point. I just specify the first corner point. Okay. And next specify the other corner point. So here you just click specify the other corner point. What we required, other corner point. What do you want? We want the dimensions. Okay, you can directly write the dimensions, or you just click on the dimensions here. Okay, if you write the directly dimensions here, if you give the coordinates, then again the 0,0 coordinates are our UCS coordinates. So then again from there it will start. So we'll do one thing, we'll go to the dimensions. You just click on the D, or you just type D, or you click on the dimensions. Okay, now specify the length of the rectangular, 200, enter, and 150, enter. Correct? So this is how we need to draw that one. So similarly, one more time I just show you how to draw that one. Click on the rectangular command, specify the first corner point, and select the dimensions and enter the dimensions. I want a rectangle of 500 by 250. I just click 500, enter, and 100, enter, plus enter, or plus click on the screen. So if you want to check that one, whether it is according to the size or not, you just go to the dimensions command, linear, click on that one. And if you press the space, automatically it will take the previous command. If you press the space, the whatever command is previously we have used, the same command it will be taken. Clear? So now, next we go to the polygon commands. So for example, if you go to the polygon command, so just click the polygon, and here what is asking, please enter, polygon, enter the number of sides. So I want this sides of the polygon. So here for the rectangular, 4 sides are there. I want the polygon sides are like, I want 6 sides. I just enter the 6. Just enter the 6, press enter. Then again specify the center of the polygon. I just specify the center of the polygon. Inscribe the circle. Yes, inscribe the circle. Okay. So now next what is asking, specify the radius of the circle. I just give the radius as 150. Clear? So 150 radius, inscribe the circle. The 6 sides of the polygon is ready. So similarly, if you want 8 sides, inscribe the circle of 200 radius. If you want, you can draw that one. Go to the polygon, number of sides, we want 8 number of sides. Press enter. You just specify the circle about this radius circle. Okay, this one you can use. Okay, and what is the radius we have choose that one? We have chosen the 150 radius. 150 radius. Here you can see this one, 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. Clear? So like that we can draw the polygon commands. Okay. So next one. Okay. Ellipse. Okay. So this command we'll just see in the next class. So in the coming videos we can see that one wherever it is required. So next command is the hatch command. Hatch command is very important command which is used for the drawings, but we can't. I will not use this command at present. I just use this command while doing the building plans. So in that one you can easily identify that one, how to use the hatch command, where to use the hatch command, and what are the different hatches for the different building materials and for different indications of the materials. Okay, so hatch will be used to indicate the what type of materials are used in the particular plans.